gusto mo po sa Brookston Park, Barangay Cabukot, Tres Martires, Cavite, at gusto mo ng ready for occupancy, si Astrid Townhouse po, may available RFO. So, lot area of 50 square meters, floor area of 45 square meters, 20,000 pesos to reserve. So, ang total contract price, 2,955,811. 20% po ang equity, umaabot ng 591,162. Less mo dyan ang 20,000 na reservation and less discount na 40,000. May net equity ka po na 531,162. Ngayon po, sa 18 months, kasi na-RFO siya, magkakaroon ka ng 29,509 monthly sa loob ng 18 months kasi RFO siya. Yung pre-sale natin is 24 months. So, yung balance mong 2,364,649, kung papasok ng Pag-ibig, is 15,337 sa loob ng 30 years. Ayan. Kung bank financing naman, 20 years, 19,000. Kung 15 years, mga OFW, 21,000. So, required income for Pag-ibig, 52,000. For bank financing, required income is 65,000. Ayan po. Kung interesado ka kay Brookston Park, Astrid Townhouse na RFO, ayan, daily tripping and reservation.